Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper.
And we are still in
Branson, yeah.
Branson, Missouri. We've been here for a couple days, and we actually have a couple more days to go. We've got lots of shows. Well, not lots. We've got
Two more.
two more shows that we're planning on, and some other things. So
It's humid. My glasses are all steamed up.
it's not hot at all. It's about 70 degrees, but it's really humid.
Yeah.
So anyway,
So we're looking forward to today.
yeah. So come along for the ride.
Shoney's has a good breakfast bar.
We just had breakfast at Shoney's. They have a wonderful breakfast bar. And everywhere we go in Branson is very veteran friendly. Thank you, veterans. We got a military discount here. And on the receipt, they actually is for veterans and for first responders. And on the receipt it said Heroes Discount, 15%. I thought that was pretty cool. So thank you, Branson. Most veteran friendly town in the country, probably.
That's pretty cool.
The Sketties.
So for tonight, for the show tonight, we're going to a show called Six.
Yes.
And we don't know that much about it because we haven't seen it, but it sounds really great. Apparently they said 10 brothers,
Yeah, there's 10 of them, and these are 6
and
of
6 of the 10 brothers have formed this show, and it's all vocal, it's all a cappella,
Yeah.
no instruments.
Yep.
So
Shades of pentatonics kind
yeah,
of
so we're really excited. I'm really excited.
Yep.
We'll see what happens. We will definitely give you a review of it. And you ready?
thing. Yes, I'm ready.
Absolutely. Okay, here we go.
Ready.
Six brothers performing together. They did a variety of different kinds of music. This was a whole section that they did of rap music. And then they had a drummer, a beatboxer. This guy's playing drums with his mouth, and he did an extended drum solo right here that was really quite fascinating. You know, they had 6 brothers that were singing, but there were 10 brothers altogether, and apparently one time someone asked their parents why they had 10 boys. The answer? They wanted a girl. And here they are doing, they did an extensive amount of like 50s and 60s rock and roll, and here's more of that standard classic rock and roll from the 50s. And of course, it wouldn't be a show without Elvis. Elvis was in the house. Elvis did a fairly extended comedy routine in the midst of all of his singing. It was quite funny. So, bottom line, we really enjoyed it. Not only was it great music, but also a lot of comedy in between the songs. 6, great show. Go check it out.
I like my hat. Dina's got me into quilting. I'm gonna look around this great little quilting place, and it's got Amish quilts, and I'm gonna look all over the place in here. It's in Branson.
Going into the Hollywood Wax Museum.
With King Kong on top.
Yeah, we had a choice of this or Ripley's Believe It or Not, but we decided on this one. We've seen Ripley's somewhere else a long time ago.
Oh yeah, I think I've been in several of them, so
Yeah.
this will be fun.
Yep. This is the one with King Kong up top there.
Yep. Who are you talking to there?
That's Fred.
Charlie Chaplin, those big feet on both of them.
Some of these are really good. Some of them you can tell who they're supposed to be, but they're not quite right. And then there's William Shatner in the middle. Not even close. I had to look at the name tag to figure out who that was supposed to be.
Yes, it's on.
Of course, you wouldn't have a wax museum without the Duke.
Yeah. Look on his face. That's usually. That was fun.
So that was a lot of fun. They had an impressive number of celebrities in there, and some of them were really good. Johnny Depp was scary. He was so good.
And another one was Justin Timberlake. I kept expecting him to talk to me. Of course, then I would have had a heart attack, but he looked just like him.
And like I said earlier, you know, some of them you could tell who they were, but it wasn't quite right. And a couple of them, like William Shatner, and even Sandra Bullock, I had to look at the name to see who it was supposed to be because I couldn't tell. But still, overall, it was just a lot of fun. The biggest majority of them were pretty good. We really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun looking around in there.
And
I really liked it.
That was just the Wax Museum. They also had 3 other, I don't want to call them rides, attractions in there. One was like a 4D whatever video thing that you sat in, and
yeah, the chairs move and you've got glasses on, you can shoot at things, and it's all like you're in it, virtual reality.
Yeah, and
a hall of mirrors.
Hall of mirrors, okay.
And miniature golf.
Miniature golf, okay.
Yep.
So all in that one building. We only did the Wax Museum.
Yeah.
So anyway, yeah, it was fun. It was worth it. Good old Moe's.
Yep. Moe's can just give you the best, just good, basic, healthy meal. I'm glad we found it. We got a show to go to tonight, so we wanted to get a dinner and go back and get all ready to go to the show.
That's it.
It's good music.
So tonight,
Hey Goods.
the Hay Goods.
We've been hearing lots of good stuff about them.
They come highly recommended.
We absolutely love the Haygoods. They were a family with 8 kids, and at one point they were all part of the group. 2 of them have moved on to other things, but there's still 6 of them singing together, and only one of them is a girl. You see here in the center, her name is Catherine, and she is the youngest. And Catherine can sing, she can play the fiddle, she plays a wailing saxophone, she plays the drums, the piano, and here she is on the harp. At one point, she was playing the harp on the upper end, and the 2 of her brothers took bows, like from a bass fiddle, and they were bowing on the lower strings, the large lower strings, as she was playing the upper strings. It was absolutely phenomenal. I've never seen anything like it. And then this guy came down from the balcony, riding on this cable, hanging upside down as he was playing an incredible guitar solo, descending all the way to the platform like that. And then at one point they threw about 20 beach balls out into the crowd, and they were bouncing them all over the place. It was so funny. Everybody was having so much fun bouncing these beach balls all over the place. And they finished with this incredible techno light show. You see all of their instruments lit up and all the laser lights all over the place. And at this point, see the guy in the center with the white lights? He was a robot dancing all over the stage. It was so cool. It was so techno. It was amazing. And the funny thing is, it was all done to like country bluegrass music. The 2 things just didn't fit together. And it was genius. I absolutely loved it. The Haygoods have been performing together as a family since 1988, since they were all real small children. They are now thoroughly professional, thoroughly enjoyable, and we highly recommend that you see them when you go to Branson.
Well, so we have been in Branson now for a week.
Yeah, well,
We got here on Monday.
5 days. Yeah.
We got here on Monday, and this is Friday morning, and it's time for us to move out.
Yep.
It's going to be very difficult to leave.
Yeah, I have loved it here.
Absolutely.
Absolutely loved it.
We love Branson. This is the first time we've had an extended stay in the cottage where we weren't driving every night, every day. And so we've settled in there, and I'm loving the RV.
It is just coming home at night. You're all done, you come home. It's
Right.
Yes.
Used to be we'd come home from something like this into a tent. And in the pouring rain and the hurricane, or the tornadoes and all that. So it was nice to come into here.
Just very comfortable. You know where everything's at. I don't know, just a sense of coming home.
Right.
It's working very, very well.
Right. But Branson, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I think I may have mentioned this once before, I don't know, but it's probably 6 or 7 years ago we came through here just on our way through, and all we did was drove down the strip just to see what it was. And it looked cool, so we decided to come back, and here it took us all these years.
Yeah.
But we've come back now, and it is a fabulous place. It is a wonderful place.
I love the fact that everything is family friendly.
Right. I
Yeah.
was just about to say, I have really absolutely had no desire at all to go to Vegas. This is Vegas in family friendly.
Yeah, yeah.
All the shows, now they don't have casinos, but or maybe they do. I don't know.
I don't even know. I haven't even paid any attention to that.
But you can take your kids to any show here and not have to worry about it.
Yeah.
And
Very, very honoring to veterans, honoring to America, and honoring to the Lord.
right.
I'm just really impressed with the people here, and the shows have been outstanding.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, just so well done.
Just when at the end of the show we saw last night, the Haygoods, they finished with the national anthem.
Yes. And the moment that, the moment that they started singing and the flag showed up on the back wall, the entire place stood to their feet, just spontaneously.
Yeah.
Everybody in the audience, everybody just stood to their feet.
Nobody took a knee.
No, that's right. No, it was just really, and Bill spent so many years in the Army, and we do really love this country, and it's just the honor that was shown, I don't know, really touched us both a lot.
Yeah. So if you're ever near Branson, or even if you want a great place for a anniversary trip or a second honeymoon or just a vacation, it's a great place to go. I do need to tell you, and I'm sure you figured this out, but it does cost. I think
Yeah.
every show that we went to cost anywhere from like $40 to $60.
Right. We saved up carefully for
A
this.
piece for the tickets.
Yes, yeah. I mean, they're
And
they're
then some of
like
the
world quality.
Yeah, absolutely. And then some of the other things like the Wax Museum, I think that was what, like $20 a piece or
It was
something?
like 20 a piece. Yeah.
So,
it was fun.
definitely
Yeah, you have to have a little money.
plan your budget ahead of time, which
Yeah.
we did.
Yes, we
And we
planned
still
for
spent
this.
more than we planned.
Right. But I think we're going to be fine. We kind of planned for it.
Yeah, yeah.
So no, what a just with everything that's been going on and just coming from my family and my mom's memorial, this has been very relaxing and it's just very nice here. And the way everybody acted during the tornado, everybody's just kind of crammed into these areas in a safe part of the building, just chatting and hanging in there. And those little kids I fell in love with, oh my goodness, they were so sweet. And yeah, they're just nice people.
So now we're off.
I'm gonna go visit Bill's sister.
Yeah, we're heading further west. We're going into Oklahoma
Yeah.
to visit my sister for a few days before we turn around and head back home again.
Yep.
So,
So, yep, alrighty. Well, I'm packing her up.
yep,
So,
here we go.
you guys, I love you. Live simple,
Live free. Be blessed.
and we will see you soon.
All right. Test. See right here, that's the audio gauge right there.
Okay.
See that?
You can see it move. Good. I gotta give up on my glasses. They're so steamed up. You can't even see where the camera is. So this is our wrap up Branson.
Yes. Okay, you ready? It is on.
Okay.
Well, so we have
Hey
been.
everybody, I'm Bill and I'm Liz. Oh no, we're
This
ending.
is the ending.
Oh yeah, blooper. Go ahead.
Blooper.
I mixed up. Okay, try it again. I'm sorry.